Hey guys, how's it going? It's Josh here again, and today we're working on another one of these Creepture designs. I've been working on these pretty heavily lately, and those of you that follow me on Twitter and Facebook, you would have seen a couple of them going up, and really enjoying it, and really enjoying the feedback that you guys are giving me as well. A lot of you people are saying that you really love them, which is great. So yeah, let me know what you think, and there's definitely a lot more of these planned. Right now, this is pretty much what I'm working on almost full time, so there's a lot more to come. But yeah, so basically, not too much to say about this one. I'm just going to let it roll, but I will let you guys know about how you can keep up to date with this stuff. The website creeptures.com is now live, so you can head over there, and they've got prints. Well, sorry, I've got prints over there. And there's also t-shirts for some of the pieces. The rest of the pieces will have t-shirts, well, most of them will. I've just got to get all them made up, so that'll be there in the next couple of days. There's also some original artwork up there, some one-of-one pieces. I'm not sure how many are still up there by the time this video goes up, but there is going to be some there. And yeah, this place is one of the best places to keep up to date, and also on the Facebook page, the Inkbite Facebook, which is facebook.com/inkbite.art. And also, of course, Twitter, which is just InkBiteArt. All that stuff's going to be in the description below, guys. But other than that, yeah, let me know what you think. These are just little beasties, little creatures from my mind, and some of them are cute, some of them are angry, some of them are all kinds of things. So, but you can see the rest of them over on the site there. And yeah, so I'll upload a few more of these over the next couple of days. But other than that, guys, enjoy.
drifting, of you getting closer.